Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with chapter number 2 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Asking Questions. So, चैप्टर का नाम है आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें सिंपली हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि क्वेश्चंस के बारे में हमें डिस्कस करना है. सो लेट्स बिगिन. रीड द एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन बिलो. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं जिन्हें हमें पढ़ना है. सो लेट अस रीड देम. द बुक्स आर ऑन द टेबल. This is a statement. Why? Because it has a full stop at the end and it is beginning with a capital letter, as well as it is providing us some kind of information. वहीं अगर हम बात करें दूसरे स्टेटमेंट की, तो ये कहता है Are the books on the table? This is a question. Why? Because it has the question mark at the end and it is asking us about some kind of information, right? Amit will come tomorrow. Again, this is a statement. Will Amit come tomorrow? This is a question, right? So they say we can change statements into questions by rearranging the group of words. So हम statements को change कर सकते हैं questions में जब हम group of words को rearrange करें, right? So let us see that they say some questions can also be written with what, whom, where, etc. WH words like who, for example. तो कुछ questions ऐसे हैं जो कि लिखे जा सकते हैं in words के साथ, यानी कि WH words के साथ, right? जैसे कि example है where is my pencil? Who is coming to the party? राइट उसी के बाद अगर मैं बात करूं, some questions can begin with forms of be, do, have. These are usually yes or no questions, right? तो कुछ questions ऐसे हैं जो कि be, do, have इन forms से शुरू किए जा सकते हैं और उन्हें हम usually yes या no questions की कैटेगरी में काउंट करते हैं. यानी कि Is your name Hina? No, it is not. Are you joining us for lunch? Yes, I am. Did you complete your work? Yes, I did. Have you seen my mother? No, I haven't. Right? So all these are the questions जिनके आंसर हम सिर्फ yes और no वाली स्टेटमेंट में दे सकते हैं और ये सभी इन verb forms के साथ शुरू किए जाते हैं. Right? Again, we have the no more box. So, question sentences are also called interrogative sentences. ये जो question sentences होते हैं जिसमें हम questions पूछते हैं उन्हें हम interrogative sentences के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with it and you all find it interesting. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.